Hey guys, welcome to my channel, KIARE. My name is Cash. I'm the owner of Dream Hair Fetish, which is a hair company, and I am going to show you today how I create my tags that I use for different items in my business. And I'm going to show you guys this because if you have the time, or you like doing arts and crafts, or you want to save money on by creating your own tags, then this is a very quick, easy, and affordable way to do so. So first off, I'm going to be using Canva. I'm going to be creating my tags through Canva. So when you type in canva.com, this is what you're gonna see. And first off, let me show you guys what I use my tags for. So yeah, this is stock photos for my business, and this example what I use my tags for. Also here are more photos. Yeah, so that's basically what I use my tags for. Well, some of them. Okay, so you're gonna use Canva. Go to canva.com. For this demonstration, we're gonna go into custom dimensions, right? And then when you go here, you're gonna click on inches, and you want to type in 2 inches by 3.5. Okay, because this is dimension, the dimension of a basic business card, which is the typical size of like a standard tag. And it's gonna be, because you put the 2 inches first and then the 3, it's gonna make it vertical. You guys will see, I'll show you. So I already have this these dimensions created, so I'm just gonna go to where I have it. Okay, so here is the 2 by 3.5 dimension that I was talking about. So basically, I mean, I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. You guys can just watch and follow along. When you go into Canva, when you're creating your tag, you'll have to play around with it, of course, to see what designs you want. It's just a part of the process. So it's really no need for me to talk that much through the video. I'm just gonna, let you guys see how I'm making this. Okay? Alright, so you can just have this as a tag, or you can, if you want a double-sided tag, this can be the back side, and then I'll show you quickly how to make the front side. Okay, I would make them. I mean, if you center it like this, you can totally have that as your tag if that's what you want. I always want to keep in mind to leave space here. Don't in this area at the front, at the top, I mean. so that you can, because that's where your hole's gonna go. So you don't want to put an important part of the design too close to that part, because you're gonna put a hole in it. Um, and right now I'm just like giving you a different way to do this. Um, just giving you some ideas. There's so many different things you can do. Just gotta play around with it. If you have an idea that you already have in mind. So I put that directly on top, and now I'm just gonna kind of scoot it upwards to give it some kind of line. I mean, of course, like if you have a logo, you can, if you, because when you do your logo, there are different ones. Like there are word logos, image logos, combination logos. So like whatever different one you have, you can definitely put that there. At the bottom of this, I'm just gonna add like a website. Just so you guys know, you can print your tags out using Canva.com, Avery.com, Vistaprint.com, or any other printing service. I personally use Vistaprint mainly because they have good deals on their services all the time. So, and their quality is good. Boom. You know what I'm saying? And then also you could, you can write your text across it or below it. You could do what you want. So these are the ones that, I just made just to give you guys some real live examples of what you can do. But here, so these are the ones I just showed you. So let me show you guys the ones that I've created for myself. So here's one example. I have the, the gray and the pink doubled up, and then the text across, website at the bottom. This one is just the DHF doubled up with the gray and pink with the website at the bottom. This is my other logo. This is my circle logo. And so here I have these options to choose from. These are my hair textures. And I'm so weird. Like, I like everything to be center and aligned. So I wanted like if I type all these, like body weight, loose weight, if I type them all out, then these wordings would be not even. They wouldn't be centered and kind of like the same. So I figure I'll put, the same amount of letters in the beginning word and then the same, just 2 letters at the end. I probably shorten Brazilian down. But yeah, I just wanted it to look even. And so this is this circle logo, website at the bottom, and this could be used on your back end of your card. And the larger logos, the larger designs like this can be used in the front. Here's another example with a different kind of logo. And then here's a different type of tag altogether where you can actually type in your options or use stickers if you have them already made. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.